Hey guys, today I've got something very special to show you. It's my 4th vacuum cleaner. It is a Henry. Well, a mini Henry. So what we're going to do is just tilt this down ever so slightly. What was my intro again? Let's just put it down here. There we go. So it'll be a bit easier. So let's start with just getting this bit of tape because I already did it on the other side. It's screwed up. Now what you do is you just do that. Right, I think I should put it back on here so you can see the actual unboxing. Right, there we go. That's better. So right, so it's all in here. Look, and here he is himself. Does it work? No, because there's no batteries in here at the moment. So we're just gonna have to put some batteries in there. But look, it's got its tools in there. Let's just get this bag ripped open. There we go. Look, let's just get all the tools out, shall we? There we go. So we've got a extension hose. This chrome attachment was supposed to represent an extension wand, and an upholstery tool, and a crevice tool. So most tools except this extension fit on there. The extension one doesn't fit, but look, you can do that. You can actually, you can vacuum like that, but yeah, and also you can actually put this on as well. All the tools apply to fitting on there, so you can like vacuum like this, of course. So just gather these all together. You can use the Henry to be a storage box as well, look, as you can see. So I'll just go and put some batteries in it and it'll be fine. So here we go, we've got some batteries in it. Sounds alright. So what you do is put it on, so you just do it like that and it just simply locks. Your suction has to be less than their watts. So let's just put this box out of the way. I'm pretty sure I still have my old DC01 box from 2014 up in the loft. And possibly the DC07 one, but anyway, let's just place this down in front of the DC07 all floors. So you can get a view of him. Alright. Oh, didn't realise they would all come pouring out like that. Made out of very cheap plastic, as you can hear. So let's just put the main attachments on. I did have a Henry, as you saw in one of my other videos, but look, that doesn't fit. Look, you can see the crevice tool doesn't fit. In order to make that fit, you either attach the extension one to this part. No, then what you do is this. You add this one, and voila, the crevice tool's on that. Which is a very long hose, as you can see. It's pretty good actually, especially when you want to get into the floors like there. Look, sorry you can't see that. I'll just move it forward. Oh dear. Or if I want to clean my little hoover here, look, I can just always do that. Actually, let's give that a try because I've got some dust in there. So put its head back on. Sorry, very poorly filmed video. I'm very sorry, but anyway, let's see what we can get. You must have enough suction to hoover up little bits of dust, of course, or it wouldn't be considered as a vacuum. So, this is supposed to be a little desk vacuum. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, little tiny bits of dust. There was like a massive puff of dust when it came out of there. Pretty good, it can handle that stuff. So let's get some muck down on the carpet for Henry. Then I have my DC30 to hand if it messes up. So let's pause it and get some dirt. So here we go, we've got some dirt here. Let's just crumple this all up. There we go. This time we're going to use the upholstery tool. Let me just put that on. I'm not going to pause the camera because I could be up to something bad. which is a problem. So, sorry, I actually did have to pause the camera then because it was filthy, it had dirt all over it. So let's see how the Henry gets on with this stuff. Here we go. Oh, it snowplows quite a bit. Look, it does actually pick up. Look, it says to angle the nozzle on the box. You see, it's sort of picking up. Look. Oh, there we go. Look, it's picking up. You can see it. Look, especially the dust particles. That. Let's take that off quickly. The upholstery nozzle. There we go. Look, you can see all that getting sucked up into there. Whoops, Henry's gone upside down. This takes a very long time with this sort of thing. Look. Oh, Henry's blown all the dirt away, look. Let's just hoover that up. Sorry, the camera's not focused. Oh, it's spitting dirt everywhere, look. Oh, dear me. Let's just try and get as best as we can, especially in those crevices. You know what, to make it easier, let's just take off the whole extension hose. And then let's just take these all off. There's no point pausing at the moment, so this is going to look a bit stupid. This looks a bit stupid, but yeah, let's just try now. Whoops, don't want to break it already, do I? So yeah, this poor thing's not going to get scuffed at the moment. There we go, that's having a much easier time, but not really, it's sort of... Sorry about the terrible camera work. Very sorry. Much better, much better. Off camera, there we go. I'm so sorry, it's awful camera work. I'm going to get so many dislikes on this, aren't I? Right, let's just put this on here. There we go. Like I said, I'm getting a DCO1. Yeah, DCO1. Yeah, not DCO1. Right, let's just get this all into a pile. And then vacuum it all up with the Henry. That tool's doing very well, is it? That tool's not doing very well. Oh dear, it's all going on the filter, I suppose. So, there we go. That upholstery tool doesn't like it. Oh Jesus, it's lasted so long, this video. I'm very sorry. It's going to take years to upload now on my crappy phone, but it's got a good camera. Oh, I think this is where the crevice tool gets in handy, so that on. Yeah, crevice tool's doing well. Look, getting those little nooks and crannies. So I think that's the best we're going to get. Still lots and lots of particles on the floor. I know the camera's not showing much, but I guess we're going to have to use the DC-30, which is powerhouse compared to that. So, how about we empty the DC-30? Here's another test. Let's see how it copes the kitchen dirt. Whoops. It's filthy, Henry. It's going to need a massive clean after this video. But anyway, let's go. Oh dear, not very good at kitchen work, is it? This is all in the kitchen, this stuff. Let's break all this up. There we go. It will have a much easier time hoovering them up now. Not very good. Right. Very sorry, it's not very good at that. Getting the corners, is it? Right, that's it now. It's all scratched up on there. Not very good. Oh, its wheels are very filthy. Look. Ugh. Better clean those wheels up at the end of the video too. Let's give them a quick open. Bear with me for a second. Good grief. Oh. Matt's done surprisingly well actually. Look. You can see that all that dust. Let's just pour it outside. Pour it back outside. Look. Look. Actually, no, I've got a better idea. Let's just do that. Look. But that is pretty good, despite this thing has like less than the air. It manages to pick up quite a lot of grit on the hard floor. Of course, let's just get the very powerful vacuum cleaner. I might actually put the hose in there. Look. So let's see what happens when we get the DC30 with Henry's hose. Oops. You can hear the powerful suction makes it whistle. So let's go again. Like I said, this thing has much more powerful suction. I mean, like 100 times. More than 100 times actually, because this thing here has 45 air watts. The DC30 does. It may not sound like a lot, but that has 280. Both of these machines do. But anyway, oh yes, I probably got the combination tool in the parts box. Right. This is just parts, like an old box, and 20. Is it in here? I don't think it is, but no, it's not. We can use this though. Oh, that's all ruined. It. They're all sparse. Oh. That's a shame. Anyway, I never use that tool. I've got some DC01 filters in there. I don't have a DC01, so I don't... No, well, yeah, not yet. I'm getting one. I'm going to bid on it tomorrow. Let's just hoover out. Oh, yes, we can do that. Even that still helps it a lot. Perfect. Already, look, it's all clean in there. We're just doing a little bit, because that's... Oh, look. There we go, look. Oh, very dusty and gritty on the top, but I scratched it. Oh, there. We have to break this little Henry for spares, really. So, that's my Henry. So, yeah, you did pretty well today, didn't you? You did really well. So, it's time for Henry to say goodbye now. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. That was a bit stupid. But anyway, bye. See you in the next video. Goodbye.